What is going on YouTube? Hidden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, as well as the S&P 500 if we have time. So guys, I was literally just about to hop on here and make a video showing you guys that there was a small falling wedge pattern forming on XRP's 4-hour charts, which could lead to a little bit of a pop, a little price pump back up to top resistance levels. And it appears that as I was recording today's video, we are actually starting to see that happen right now. So this is very exciting news. I still want to update you guys on when the next buying opportunity is, as well as give you a general brief and overview. It appears it wasn't just XRP forming this falling wedge pattern. Ethereum and Bitcoin were also forming it. And you can also see that Cardano's getting rejected off top resistance, which was also screaming why, if you hadn't bought in once we confirm breaking above this downtrend here, not to buy in yet. So we do have to update you guys on that. Otherwise, definitely make sure to partake in our crypto coin display giveaway, as you guys can see here. In order to win one of these bad boys completely free, all you have to do is subscribe to the freaking channel so we can hit 100,000 subs, as well as comment your favorite cryptocurrency down below. We'll be picking the drawing or picking the winners on Sunday, so stay tuned for that episode. Otherwise, definitely make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, a quick refresh of the cryptocurrency market. You can see we're currently floating around 2.91 trillion here. We have all the crazy unnecessary tokens like Doge Moon exploding to the upside here. We have Coco Swap up 72,000%, which it just sounds too good to be true, and it probably is. Like, if your cryptocurrency that you just bought is up 72,000%, there's a really good chance there's no liquidity on exchanges to actually sell this or transfer this into another cryptocurrency. So you're kind of stuck with it at that level because there's nothing to do. Unless it's a rebase coin, which most of these probably are, you're kind of screwed. So, I mean, you can see here, Coco Swap, the unique platform, combines features of NFT. No, it's interesting. This isn't a rebase token. It's an NFT and staking website, but still, the fact that it's pumping up 72,000% is just scary to be investing into. It's a staking platform to switch Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. I don't know. Interesting. Who knows? We'll see what happens. But coins like this, you just have to be really careful about in markets. Now, moving on to the actual technical analysis, looking at some pretty legitimate cryptocurrencies, even though Shiba's down quite a bit, you can see XRP, for example, is forming this falling wedge pattern that I did want to show you guys. You can see here how literally as I was about to make the falling wedge pattern here, market started to break bullish. You can actually see we're still inside of it, which is quite interesting. I think I'm going to just draw it on more so with the 4-hour charts. They seem to just hold this a little bit better, and then I guess I'll zoom in a little closer. But this is the resistance, the top downtrend that I'm referring to, and then we have our bottom support level. As we know, falling wedges are a bullish pattern within cryptocurrency. All falling wedges are, for the most part, falling wedges. You can see they tend to break bullish here as we start to intertwine inside right here, and then break bullish to the upside here. So that's what we're looking for. That's the key movement right now within XRP. Obviously, you can see that's exactly what's happening here on the 4-hour. If zooming in closer, which is obviously a more aggressive style of trade, you can clearly see what's happening. Big break up to the upside, falling wedge into here, consolidating, and now we're breaking bullish through the top resistance. Would you be able to buy into this? Yeah, sure. I mean, I would rather wait to buy in, and personally, I wouldn't be the one to buy into this. But if you wanted to, go ahead and take advantage of it. Literally, if you're an aggressive style of trader and you're going to be sitting trading like this, and you're going to just wait for these movements to, appear, all you got to do is go over to Bityard, which I have linked in the description down below, which I highly recommend you take advantage of. They have on the main area page XRP trading, which is really cool. This means that you guys can take advantage of these movements here. So there's a lot of exchanges or a lot of centralized exchanges that got rid of XRP. Something like this, Bityard, the decentralized exchange, starting to become centralized with KYC, but you don't have to do that, actually allows you to leverage trade XRP, which is freaking awesome, and that's why we use it, because all the exchanges like GDAX or Coinbase Pro now don't accept it or don't allow you to use XRP. So you can actually leverage trade this cryptocurrency here. It's very exciting to do, and then you can create a market order, create stop losses, short orders. You just click sell short, type in the amount of margin you want, just like that, and you can short it. It's very easy to do. Definitely recommend taking advantage of it. They also are giving away, as of November, free sign-up bonuses, as well as for people that are already registered, can also take advantage of the mystery boxes. So once you create an account with the link in the description down below, click mystery box here, and you'll be able to get rewarded with free cryptocurrency. And if you've already signed up, make sure you check that tab in your account so that you can also take advantage of those. It's very cool, exciting, great way to make a little extra cash within the crypto space. Just thought I'd give you guys the heads up. Now back to XRP here, you can see it's an aggressive trade. You know, you could easily buy in. This might be the only height of the breakout that we move to. I mean, it honestly probably is. You can see from this level right here, if we take the mouth of the opening from XRP and we move it to here, we've pretty much already hit the top resistance. It's a very small breakout to the upside here. And if we started to head even higher than our resistance, you know, this price target here, the highest we'd probably go to is $1.30. That's the resistance level. Now, for those waiting and eagerly patient to buy into XRP, you'd probably have to start trading. Would I say the 30-minute? I mean, this is, now we're going crazy here, but you could probably argue 30. I don't even want to trade closer. You know, you could see it like this, 15-minute closed us above here, then you could buy in. It's just so aggressive. It's hard to take advantage of. We closed above here. This is the candle that would, you know, signal buying in, but we could easily reverse downwards. It's an aggressive style of trade when playing around on hourly charts like this, and even shorter here. But regardless, we did close above this, or we're going to close above this. We have about 8 minutes left, and then we'll see. There's a good chance we can, you know, completely head up, but we did also hit the target here. What I would wait for long term, if you plan, or you know, a little more conservative, is waiting for us to actually break through $1.30. That's the problem zone here, guys. That's what you got to wait for. That's what I'm waiting for, and then I'll buy back in on BitYard here. Wait for the confirmation. Wait for us to breach through this top resistance level. That would be the perfect time to buy back in. You'll also notice it's not just on XRP that's breaking in this sort of falling wedge fractal here. You'll start to notice some other cryptocurrencies doing the same thing. Ethereum also had some sort of falling wedge pattern. I'm a little nervous to throw money into this, especially because you can see, look, falling wedge corrects us down, then we break bullish. But look at what happened before. Falling wedge breaks us down, we broke bullish. Guess what? Corrected all the way back down to bottom support level. That's what I'm expecting to see happen within Ethereum right now. We've already hit pretty much the top resistance. So my logic is that we're going to continue to fall lower. It's actually not necessarily the best falling wedge pattern. Unlike XRP, there's like this small one that we could probably draw on, but it doesn't necessarily look the best. Now, honestly, I wouldn't even consider this a falling wedge. It's so slight here, and it's too sporadic, so I wouldn't even go with that. Regardless, we are coming back down to retest the moving averages here on the hourly, which is why we're slightly seeing this bounce to the upside here. But you can see it's at the same price level that we retested it in the past here. And what did we do? We broke below it. So if you guys want to trade this a little more moderate, what I would wait for is obviously the 4-hour or the daily, or the 4-hour or the hourly to hit and retest support here. Once we close above here like we did before, then I would buy in. Once we hit that, then buy in, because there's going to be a big streamline, probably up to 5K within Ethereum, which is exciting to do. Otherwise, going to Bitcoin here, you can see Bitcoin also starting to correct lower. Is there a falling wedge? We'll have to jump a little closer. This is the only cryptocurrency we didn't actually sell out of. We're getting close, though, as we are getting very close to retesting our stop losses here. Yeah, there is a better, you know, falling wedge pattern on Bitcoin than the other cryptos. You can see clear as day kind of the falling wedge pattern that's forming here. Clear bottom support levels, clear uptrend resistances or downtrend resistances. This is a falling wedge pattern. This could tend to break bullish here. Obviously, consolidation is key. There's a good chance. I mean, we're getting close to getting stopped out here, but we'll see what happens. We're still in the trade regardless long term here. Within Bitcoin, I have it fairly low because I do believe this is just consolidation to help Bitcoin break bullish. We're already in it. I mean, we called the breakout here, this earlier breakout, this massive one that we're forming. We expected this to happen. So we're already in a very good trade on Bitcoin. So it's only just letting this play out and consolidate before we consider doing anything. But we're already in a very good standing within Bitcoin. It already broke bullish. We're already inside of this. But this falling wedge would just signal a potential run even higher. So very exciting. Probably back up to retest all-time, probably back up to retest all-time highs, and then we'll go from there. Cardano looks okay. We discussed this last time that the key buy-in opportunity was when we closed above this resistance here. Once we saw openings right here and we closed above it, that was a prime buy-in opportunity. We did, and we leveraged this all the way to the upside here. We didn't create a stop loss. We didn't have a stop loss this high. It's just in case we decided to dip lower, and who cares? I mean, we'll break even, if anything, with that stop loss, but we'll see how high we go. There's a chance we could correct lower and then fall back down, or we could break bullish now that we're finally outside. I'm more bullish on Cardano now that we finally broke through here. This is the most volume we've gotten in, honestly, a very long time in a bullish sentiment. But it's pretty much just letting this play out. That's why I warned you guys, don't buy in. If you were like, oh, I missed the Cardano run, time to buy in, I wouldn't recommend it. I would only do that if we can confirm resistance to be broken. If we can close below $2.33 or 35 cents, that would be a significant opportunity for getting a second chance to buy back in. But if we don't close above here, which it seems like we're not, then it's a little too late to buy back into Cardano. That's my opinion on it. Otherwise, S&P 500's okay. I mean, it's expected that we are going to start to see some correction to the downside here. I'm expecting it to go probably at least down to 40 to 50 on the RSI here. So I'm looking for a correction down to this support right here. This is what I'm looking at. So I'll expect, or what I'm expecting to see the price do, is with this horizontal line drawn, I'm expecting to see this dip down to here and then go even higher. That's what I'm looking for. Hopefully that's what happens. We could even, fall all the way down to here, which would be fine, and then head up higher, which would be great. But because we're retesting extreme overbought, it just makes sense that we're starting to teeter-totter back down. It's without saying. Otherwise, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. Definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.